so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey!
Hey, you must be the handyman.
Yeah, my name's Blippi. What's your name?
Hey, my name's Dee Dee. You wanna come on in?
Yeah, come on. Wow, all right. So this is Dee Dee's house. And like you heard, you and I are here to fix some things. I have my tool belt and even my toolkit. All right, so there's 3 things we need to fix today. The first thing is this sink. Yeah, this sink doesn't work. Dang it. We'll fix that. The second thing is we need to fix Dee Dee's car. And then the third thing is we need to fix Dee Dee's workout machine. All right, let's start with the sink. All right, since it doesn't work, we need to go down here. All right, let's open this up. All right. Okay, the first thing is we need to clear it out. All right, so we have this yellow cleaner we need to put over here, and this red cleaner. Okay. Purple cleaner, wow. And then green, okay. Ooh, blue and orange, my 2 favorite colors. Huh. Why is this down here? Why does Dee Dee have dinosaurs? And then, ooh, a fire truck? Whoa, Dee Dee's cool. And then, oh look, hey, it's even me. Hello. And then, ooh, a snake. Wow! So colorful. All right. Wow. Jeez, look at all of this. These are all the hoses for the sink. All right, so let's see how we fix this. Let's take our hammer. It seems all really good. Yeah, weird. Okay. Oh, wait, I have an idea. Let's take our pliers. Yeah, and let's twist this thing. Wow. All right, I think we fixed it with the pliers. So now, let's check it. All right, moment of truth. Yeah, we fixed it. Great job. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, that's so much fun. All right, now let's go fix a couple more things for Dee Dee. Oh, dang it. Yeah, Dee Dee's car isn't working. Will you help me fix Dee Dee's car? Yeah. All right, let's grab our tools. And then first thing we need to do is open the hood. All right, here we go. Whoa, look at this. This is a dirty engine. But we're not here to clean the engine. We are here to fix the engine. All right, so let's put the tools about right here. And then first let's take our hammer and let's make sure the spark plugs are nice and tight. Okay, and then let's see. Okay, let's take our screwdriver and the air filter back here. Yeah, that's nice and tight too. Okay, what could be the problem? Oh, I have an idea. Yeah, the oil. Okay, let's check the oil. Sometimes cars won't run if the oil isn't nice and full. So, here we go. Whoa, yeah, it looks really low. So I think we need to add some oil. All right, and I have some oil in the car. Okay, perfect. There's oil in this white bottle. So let's open up the engine oil cap right here. And then, oh, look at that. Perfect. Oh, hey, my hands are dirty because the engine is really dirty. All right, are you ready? Oh yeah! Look, we're filling up the car with oil. Whoa! Okay, all right. I think that's full. Let's put the cap back on the car. Okay. Oh, all right. And then let's close this oil right here. Let's put it on the ground. And now, one last thing. Bubbles for good luck. Okay. Ooh. Perfect. Bubbles are really magical and they bring good luck. So now let's close the hood and let's see if the car runs now. All right. Moment of truth. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, good job. The car works now. All right, so we fixed the sink. She was thankful. And then we fixed her car. She's gonna be so happy. And now we need to fix her workout machine. Wow! This is the workout facility that Dee Dee needs our help fixing one of these machines. Woo! I love workout facilities because this is where I take weights. Yeah! And I pump some iron. So then there, make your body nice and strong. Yeah! That's so much fun. Ooh, what is this? This looks like this is the machine that Dee Dee needs our help. Wow. All right, let's put this down right here. And let's take our hammer. Yeah, this. Perfect. Yeah. Perfect. Oh, and down here, we need to use our pliers. All right, we got it. Good job. Perfect. This is looking really good. Let's put that back. Now we have the screwdriver. And let's do this one over here. Okay. All right. See, we did it. Let's put it right there. Perfect. The inspection is going really good. And the maintenance looks normal. So let's take the wrench and yeah, we did it. Great. Perfect. All right. Looks like we fixed it for Dee Dee. Good job. Ooh, I think we should test it. All right. Yeah, it works really good. I love gyms and workout facilities because you get nice and fit, so then you can live a nice, happy, long life. Wow, that was so much fun fixing things with you today. Let's go over what we accomplished. The first thing was, we fixed Dee Dee's sink. The second thing is, we fixed Dee Dee's car. And the third thing is, we fixed Dee Dee's workout machine. Good job. Well, hey, if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Do you know how to spell my name? Yeah, let's spell it together. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. See you soon. Bye-bye.